Hey everyone, Looks into Swirl here. Well, you know what this means? We did it. And I say we because it's not just me, it's all of you. So thank you hugely. We hit the 5,000 subscriber mark. Woo! And now, as promised, I am going to do the video about how to win any or all of these 9 cups that I showed in the teaser preview thing. I'm going to run through the rules. These will be posted below. You don't have to worry about trying to do a screen capture or anything. This will be posted below in the description area. I will also list the 9 cups and their corresponding numbers below as well. So everything should be described below that I'm going to show you here. I'm going to run through the rules real quick. Hopefully it will cover everything. You won't have any questions. It'll be straightforward. If you do have any questions, do not leave a comment below with your question. Send me an email. My email address is here. It's also going to be, of course, down below in the description area, okay? So shoot me an email. If I need to come back, I cannot edit a video once it's posted, but I can come back and update the description area if I need to clarify something further based on questions I'm receiving, alrighty? So here we go. I am giving away these 9 cups. I'm going to do it by having basically 9 mini raffles. Each cup gets its own little raffle. You can enter each one of those 9 raffles if you want to. If you're only actually interested in one cup, you can enter just that one mini raffle for that one cup. You can enter 3 or 4 different ones if you want. You don't have to enter any. You don't have to enter them all. Just do whatever entries are of interest to you. Totally up to you. There is a rule of 1 entry per mini raffle per person. So anybody entering can have at most 9 entries. 1 entry for each cup. Okay? So at the least you can have 0, obviously. You can have any number between 1 and 9 if you're actually entering any or all of the raffles. Okay, and you enter by commenting below in the comment section. You're going to comment with just a hashtag, or what we, the older generation, used to call the number sign, and the numeral of the cup you want. And that's it. So right here, if you wanted to enter for cup number 1, which is the Oh My God metallics on black cup, as an example, you would put in a comment below hashtag 1. That's it. That would be your entire comment. Hashtag 1. Okay? If you want to enter, for example, cup 4, which is the salty like the ocean thing, and cup 9, which is our smoky dragon one over here, you would have 2 entries below. You would have 2 separate comments. Of the 2 separate comments, one would be hashtag 4. That would be a comment. And then you would put another comment that would have hashtag 9. And if that's all you enter for, you will have 2 comments below. One with this, one with this. And that's it. Okay? I don't think it matters if you put other stuff in the comments, but it's probably easier for the picker thing if you don't. Let's just keep it as straightforward as we can here. Duplicates will be discarded or deleted completely. If I see that the same person has entered 3 different comments with hashtag 4 in it, 2 of those aren't going to count. All right? So just 1 entry, which is a comment, per mini raffle. There are 9 of those per person. That's you. That's you. Okay, I think I've covered everything. The giveaway is open to everyone. Anywhere. Well, anywhere on this planet. I can't ship off planet yet. I'm gonna take the hit to the pocketbook. International, you're more than welcome to enter the raffles if you like, because you've been my subscribers as well, and I appreciate all of you. Okay, the giveaway will run from the time I post this video on YouTube until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, July 31st, 2021. So it's going to run for the month of July, starting with when I post this video. All right, let's run through our cups. And again, I will have these all listed below with the number and the cup description or name so that you don't have to like keep a screen capture of this. You can look at the description. So number 1 is the various metallics on black with the vinyl saying, "Oh my God, no one cares." That's cup number 1. Cup number 2 is this lovely roses and pinks cup that I did out of one of the Mr. Nola's Glitter's Wanderlust boxes. That's cup number 2. Cup number 3, this was a mica swirl that went a little wild and wacky, and then I slapped a feeling kinda IDGAF-ish today saying on it. This is a 30 ounce. The rest of these are 20 ounces. This is a 30. Okay, that's cup number 3. Cup number 4, this is a 20 ounce handle, Hogdol, it's called a Hogdol. And this was different teal alcohol inks and then metallic micas that I torched on top. It says "Salty like the ocean calling me." It has various sea critters on it. Okay. That is cup 4. Cup 5 is the 3D rose on one side and the roses are red blah 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 vodka saying on the other side. That is cup number 5. All right, cup number 6. This is a pantyhose cup that has the rainbow sunflower on it. We'll just keep it. I could describe lots of other things too, but we'll do that. Pantyhose cup with the rainbow sunflower on it. That's cup number 6. Cup number 7, this is all sorts of different metallic alcohol inks and a saying that says "No such thing as too much bling." That is cup number 7. Cup number 8, layered mica hatching cup with Aurora flakes. That's what we're calling this one. This is cup number 8. Layered mica hatching with Aurora flakes. And finally, cup number 9, this was one of our smoke ghost swirl cups with the dragon on it. So smoke ghost swirl cup with dragon is what I'll call it. That is cup number 9. Again, these will all be listed below underneath the rules, which will also be in the description area. Good luck to everybody. Again, if you have any questions after watching this or reading the rules in the description below, please send me an email. I will not only answer the email, but if there's anything that I think needs to be dispersed to everyone, I will update the description below to clarify whatever the question was, okay? So, good luck. I will be back sometime after August 1st, and I will be posting the winner's drawing announcement video. So be on the lookout for that. That won't be until after August 1st. Good luck, folks, and thank you again. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.